In part 2 of this series, we will look at using EndNote when writing an academic document with Word. At the top of the Word screen, you should see a tab for EndNote controls. The toolbar looks like this for Windows computers, with sections labelled Citations, Bibliography and Tools. Please note that in the Mac, controls for Convert to Unformatted Citations and Convert to Plain Text will be found in a slightly different location. And a location difference also occurs with the Configure Bibliography control. In this example, 2 paragraphs have been written for the introduction. As a way of illustration, I've indicated where 3 references are to be cited in the text by typing these in red. When using Vancouver style referencing, especially when the numbers are in superscript, the cursor is generally positioned after a punctuation element such as a comma, a full stop, or after a person's surname. When using APA or the Harvard style, the cursor is generally positioned before a punctuation element. Let's see how the various controls can be used in a live demonstration. For our first example, we'll start with the Vancouver UQ style. So I'll place a cursor after the full stop. Now to find a reference, I have 2 options. One, I can go to EndNote, choose a reference either from the whole list or from a group, and then click the quotation icon to insert the citation. EndNote will now return me to Word, and if instant formatting is switched on, this reference will now appear in the bibliography. Moving to the next citation, I will illustrate a second method of using the search option on the toolbar here. I can type in the name of an author or words from the title to do the search. Click Find and then highlight the reference you want to use and click Insert. For the next citation, if I highlight the author's name, this will appear in the search box and save me the need for typing. As your document grows, the data in the bibliography gets pushed out of sight to the back of the document, and it's easy using Vancouver style to lose track of what references have been cited. One option is to convert the whole or part of the document to an unformatted state by using the Convert to Unformatted control. Citations will now appear as a surname and date within curly brackets. This also has the effect of turning instant formatting off. When complete, reformat the document by clicking on Update Citations and Bibliography. Another option is to turn off instant formatting while writing or editing a section. Any new citations inserted will now appear in the unformatted format. When the work is done, use Update Citations and Bibliography to complete the formatting. If you need to check the reference or EndNote data of a formatted citation, 2 controls in the toolbar can help. For example, if I need to check citation 3, first I highlight it, then I go up and use either Edit and Manage Citations or Edit Library Reference. Edit and Manage Citations will display the reference information currently linked to that number. Edit Library Reference will take you to the EndNote library and allow you to read notes and check information in a linked PDF. To delete a citation, first highlight the citation marker, then go to Edit and Manage Citations, click Edit Reference and choose Remove Citation and OK. In the next section of the document, I want to insert 4 citations after the first sentence. The easiest way is to select these from EndNote. I go to the group for this section and select these references. To select multiple references, you need to use the Control key for Windows or the Command key for a Mac. I will on purpose also select an extra incorrect citation at this step, say this one, and click the Insert icon. The citation marker in the document will appear as 4 to 8. To edit or delete from this multiple citation group, place the cursor before the number and click Edit and Manage Citations. This will allow me to delete any incorrect citations in the group and to change the order of citations if necessary. In the next live demo, we will look at using EndNote when writing a Word document with the Harvard or APA style. In this example document, I have again indicated where I wish to place 3 citations by highlighting these in red within square brackets. Harvard or APA in-text citations display as an author date within round brackets and typically are placed before a punctuation mark like a comma or a full stop. In the Word EndNote tab, I need to use the Styles menu to select the correct style. For the first citation, I'll place the cursor before the full stop and use the citation search to search for the first author's name. As I insert more citations, the references will appear in the bibliography in alphabetical order. In the second paragraph, an author's name is included in the sentence, and this allows me to use an abbreviated version of the Harvard or APA citation format, which includes only the citation date in the round brackets. Firstly, I search for the author's name, and instead of clicking on the Insert button, I click on the down arrow on the right and select the first option, Insert and Display as Author Year. For information on these topics and others, library users may wish to check the library's event page for any scheduled EndNote Advice classes.